Let's interpret this ABG together. ABGs can be super tricky, but I promise the more you practice them, the easier they get. And remember, if you need a little help, I have an ABG crash course. So let's take a look at our gas. Let's start off with the pH, and let's say our pH is 7.44. Our CO2 is going to be 29, and our bicarb is going to be 20. I always like to look at the pH first, so our pH here is considered normal because it's between 7.35 and 7.45. However, I do like to make a note that it's leaning a little more towards the alkalotic side because it is on the higher side. Next, our CO2. Our CO2 here is low, contributing more towards an alkalosis, and we know that our pH is leaning more towards the alkalotic side. Next, we have our bicarb. Our bicarb here is also considered low, and we know that low bicarbs contribute towards acidosis, which tells us we have some sort of respiratory alkalosis going on here because our pH is normal, but it's leaning more towards the alkalotic side, and our CO2 is out of normal range. But now, how do we know if this is partially compensated versus fully compensated? To figure that out, we're going to look at the bicarb. Because our bicarb is out of range, we know we have some sort of compensation going on, but our pH is within range, meaning that this is a fully compensated gas. I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any more questions.